Malwa Mahindra, and I'm really satisfied with the services you guys offer, especially the gentleman. He's a genuine person. I'm really happy, and I get a complete representation of having a laptop. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
जी सर,
मुझे तारीफ है काबिल सर्विस की।
थैंक यू सर।
मतलब इतनी बढ़िया सर्विस थी कि जब मैं शाम को गाड़ी लेने आया था बिफोर टाइम रेडी थी, लेकिन फिर मेरे को यहाँ आने के बाद मैंने 8-10 आदमी को और नंबर दिया। अच्छा, मतलब इतनी बढ़िया सर्विस रेडी।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। थैंक यू सो मच।
It was very good, very nice, very friendly as well. And yeah, so it's pretty quick for me. They promised that they'll do it in 1 hour. So a little more than 1 hour, but yeah, I understand. That's pretty nice. And I'm giving the service.
And since I am very near neighbor to them, so my office is very near. I am in Britannia, so my service is excellent. I am very happy with that and going with a big smile.